Fuck.
Well, only just then when you handed it to me.
Yeah, but now I've got to put 7 videos together somehow, and I don't know how to do it.
Well, this is what happens when you hand it to somebody who doesn't know how to use it.
I just fucking handed you something. You weren't supposed to touch nothing. Hello, YouTube.
We're just having a little argument here. I'm a little bit bloody, you know, techno illiterate. And he hands me a telephone, and I pushed the wrong button. Sorry, guys. Maybe you need something to clamp it on with. I know it's only a vacuum hose, but it can't hurt.
That's on there. Fucking good.
Aha. Find something.
Yeah, my little mate's fucking
Unplugged, is he?
Yeah.
Right. Should start without your airbox on there. Try a sensor. Should just go with just that or?
Yeah, well.
Okay, so whatever you don't know, you just plug the airflow sensor on without your airbox. Okay. Okay, you just plug the airflow sensor on without the airbox, and he's going to give it another go. A little bit better.
Huh?
A little bit better. Maybe it's pretty dirty though. The airflow sensor's pretty dirty. Sorry?
Listen to the induction noise. That sounds awesome.
It does.
Pity it's got this.
I'll give you the filter.
Huh?
I'll give you the filter. Sorry, Pat. That could be some of your problem.
But, no, I'm looking for the missing vacuum loop, not the fucking
Yeah,
blockies in the air. Well, okay, it looks like I'm buying new spark plugs.
Yeah. I'm just checking all of those. They're on.
There's something going on back here. It just isn't making any sense.
You might have a slip in one. Like I did in my accordion.
Okay. Alright. There will be another video. Still looking for the vacuum leak. Please enjoy this one. Give us a thumbs up. There will be more videos coming. Just to let people know, I've got other vehicles that I can play with as well. I got to find an exhaust leak on this car. Nice and easy. I've also got to, this one here is going to be the easiest one. I've got to change all the lights on this car. Headlights, tail lights, only the globes. Also got the dash light to do as well. She's lightless.